What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site with this app, my bad, Receipt Pal. You can basically get paid to scan receipts. Very simple. I've done a lot of videos on this app. I'm doing another cash out here just to continue showing you that I'm still making money with it. You see I have 2,250 points. Every time you scan a receipt, it'll go to this little timer thing, basically pending. And the only reason it's pending is because I want to make sure your receipts actually meet up with the qualifications, which the main one is just making sure that your receipt is after the date that they say. So you see here, they're accepting receipts from December 22nd and later. So if you have a receipt that's from December 21st, then it's not going to credit. So just want to make sure your receipts line up. So I got 3 receipts pending. I just did this morning. Every time you scan a receipt, it's equivalent to 25 points. One card equals 100 points. So you just continue to do that. Once you get 4 here, you'll get the 100 points, and it'll go into your balance. So you see here, you just continue to do them. Every time you do a card for the week, it will disappear. So basically, once the new week comes, you'll get, more cards added. But like I said, it's just basically just scan the receipt, wait for it going into pending, which is usually within 24 hours, which is done with this. And then you just, every time you get a receipt, just scan it. You'll get 1 card finished. You'll get 100 points. It'll go right into your balance, and you just go to the next card every time you get a receipt, and just keep grinding like that. So it's very simple app to use, not difficult at all. It just, whenever you get a receipt, regardless of where it's from, take a picture of it and you wait for it to go for approval. All you got to do is just click on this little camera button. The camera will pop up. Take a picture of the full receipt. If it's a long receipt, just take, break up the pictures just to make sure it gets all the information, which is mainly the store name, the date, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, the store name, the date, and the total. Just make sure it has those 3 things visible, and you're good to go. All right, so like I said, I'm cash out here. I'm gonna show you the rewards. So I'm gonna click on rewards. 2,220 point, 2,200 points. That'll get you an Amazon gift card or a retail gift card. 4,000 points, that'll get you $10 rewards. 9,250 points, $25 rewards. Go to 50 and 100. So they have lots of different ways or different cash out thresholds, but the minimum is $5. Like I said, you can get an Amazon gift card or a retail gift card. I'm gonna click on a retail gift card because they're gonna give you things like it says here. Like it says, I'm gonna clear it up so you can see it. Best Buy, iTunes, Lowe's, Starbucks, Target, Visa, and Walmart, things of that nature. So you just basically pick which one you want, and they'll send you the card basically instantly. So I'm gonna click on redeem. Are you sure you want to redeem your points? I'm gonna click on yes. Congratulations, your reward will be emailed to you shortly. And in that email, it'll basically allow me to pick which gift card I want. So let me go do that real quick and show you. All right, so you see here, here's the email. Congratulations, your $5 gift card. Once I click on this reward center right here, it will allow me to pick which gift card that I want. You see here, choose your reward, virtual Visa gift card, Starbucks, Best Buy, Walmart, iTunes, Lowe's, Target, Real Cinema, and each doesn't matter which one I pick, I'm gonna get $5 worth of it. I usually pick the virtual Visa gift card, which requires me to basically put in my name, my address, all that good stuff. So it's basically like a Visa card, but it's virtual. I usually just to pay like my bills online, things like that, like my phone bill or something small, because it's only $5. You just put $5 on my phone bill. That's usually how I pay my phone bill every month, just with virtual Visa gift cards. So I'm just showing you that you get it instantly as soon as you cash out. As soon as I put in all this information for the gift card, the virtual Visa gift card, it'll pop up. It'll give me a number, just like a real Visa card, and I'm set and I'm ready to go. So I just want to show you guys how easy it is to make money. And all I'm doing with this app is scanning receipts. So I definitely encourage you guys to use this app. The link to it will be in the description. When you use the link, you'll get 250 points off the top. So definitely click on the link in the description. Get started with it, making money, and you can choose which gift card you want. You don't have to just use the Visa card. They also have Amazon, things like that. So all you gotta do is get a minimum of $5, and you can cash out with it Very, very simple. And the most important thing is just all you're doing, just scanning receipts. It's not difficult at all. You don't have to worry about any surveys, any offers. Easy way to make money with it. So, you have receipts all the time. You usually throw them away. So why not getting paid to do this? So I'm basically getting $5 just for taking pictures of receipts that I got. All right. So like I said, the link to it is in the description. Sign up, you get 250 points. Choose which gift card you want and just, take off just like that. All right. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're new to my channel or you're not subscribed, subscribe, click the bell button so you can be notified when I make new videos. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff, because my whole channel is dedicated to showing you guys how to make money completely free online. All right. My channel is Every Penny Counts, and that's what you always have to remember, that every penny counts.